Hey everyone, today we are going to change the skin tone color of this Ken doll. This method may be used for any doll such as Barbie dolls, Ken dolls, Monster High, Simba, etc. Today I will show you this one method. I will show you another method or two that I am working on other videos at the moment. I will post these in the future. Just a reminder, if you like my videos and find them helpful, support by subscribing to this channel and like by clicking on the thumbs up. I wanted to custom change this Ken doll mainly because I could not find a color tone in dark chocolate brown tone available in Germany. At least not in the thrift shops, as I primarily prefer to buy and use used dolls. So I decided to find a way to do so. I prefer to incorporate secondhand used dolls in my works mainly because of recycling and having a home for older generation dolls. I really like to change them up, add to them, creating a different personality away from the manufacturer factory look, fixing or repainting them, and giving my newly used thrift store dolls my personal touch. Sometimes I would change the colors of eyes and give the dolls more bushier eyebrows, for example, just something different to call them my own. In rare occasions will I leave the face without making any adjustments, or little or few. Some are very subtle and some are like this Ken doll in this video, which is an extreme makeover. Let's get down to it and change this Ken doll's skin tone. First of all, I am using acetone to take off any factory paints so it will not seep through later on. I will repaint this face later and post a complete look in another video post. I popped the head off because I want to change the shape of this Ken doll, so I am using a X-Acto knife to cut the piece off and create a forehead with air dry clay. This was the only method that was laying around that I could spontaneously use. There must be other methods, so if any of you know of any, please comment below and share them with me. That would be lovely and so helpful. I used glue to let the clay piece stick to the doll head piece, as it kept on wanting to come off. It does not want to stick to the plastic vinyl, so we will make this work either way. Next, I will spray his body and head with a fixative spray for plastic and vinyl bonding. Please make sure that it is for vinyl and plastics, because the other materials just won't work. Spray this on both sides and make sure you will get the sides too, or else the color will not stick. I have already done this prior and let it dry for a few hours, And now I will spray my desired color on, which is any color you would like to use. I choose dark chocolate brown. I sprayed both sides and let it dry for 2 hours. Then I moved the joints to reveal unsprayed sections and spray those parts as well and let them dry. I am preparing the second method, in which I will share with you in part 2 or in other future videos. The second method is less toxic. Please kids, remember to have an adult near you to guide you through the process, and be sure not to breathe any of the fumes in as it is really bad for your skin, brain, and lungs. Be sure to spray outside and open fresh air, and use a face mask, goggles to protect your eyes, and rubber hand gloves to protect your face at all times. Safety is important. This applies to grown-ups as well, not only to kids. This whole process took a few days as I wanted to let the paint dry properly and kind of forgot about it outside, to be honest. But you can do this in literally half a day. There are some parts that did not take, but I do not mind, as I will use some acrylic to match up the spots later. I will only use this for my videos and stop motion videos, so it's nothing that I would actually sell or anything like that. It's just for my own personal use and projects. And I wanted to have a multi-ethnic cast of dolls. Some rough patches will actually show up more raw and give a personal touch of realness, in which I really admire. So here's the transformation from light skin Ken Barbie doll to dark skin Ken Barbie doll. Excuse me for Ken being naked, as I was not thinking while filming this. I will also be making clothes in the future and post the videos for this Ken doll, so stay tuned. I hope this video was helpful and inspired you. That's how you can change your doll skin tone color. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. If you like this video and want to support this channel, please subscribe and click the like button. Share this with your doll buddies as well. That would be great. Thanks for watching and have a great weekend. Waving, and see you later.